Adobe Illustrator's color management workflow, achieving consistent color across devices. By ITMaster. Welcome to ITMaster, your go-to channel for mastering design, tech, and creative workflows. Today, we're diving deep into a critical yet often misunderstood topic in digital design: color management in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever had a print job come back looking totally different from what you saw on your screen, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Have you ever designed something that looked perfect on your screen, but printed completely wrong? Maybe the red turned brown, the bright blue went flat, or your client saw something totally different on their monitor. It's not your design skills. It's color management. In this video, we'll show you how to fix all of that, step by step, using Adobe Illustrator's powerful color management tools. If you've struggled with inconsistent colors between devices, this guide is exactly what you need. You'll discover why color management matters more than most designers realize, and how skipping it can cost you time, money, and trust. The truth about color spaces like sRGB, Adobe RGB, and CMYK, and why choosing the wrong one can ruin your output. How to assign, convert, and manage color profiles correctly in Illustrator, so your work looks great no matter where it's viewed. Real-world tips to make your colors match across screens, printers, and even client devices. Pro techniques for both print and digital workflows that will instantly raise the quality and consistency of your design output. This isn't theory. These are the exact steps professionals use to make sure their colors stay true, every time. Whether you're creating a logo, digital ad, or preparing artwork for high-quality printing, you'll walk away knowing how to keep your colors locked in and accurate, across every device and platform. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, your approach to color in Illustrator is about to change for good. Why color management matters in design. Color isn't just decoration, it's communication. A specific shade of blue can convey trust, a bold red can create urgency, and the wrong color in the wrong context can ruin the entire message of your design. What happens without color management? Without proper color management, that perfect logo might look great on your monitor but come out dull or muddy in print. A client might view your digital design on their phone and wonder why the colors seem off. You waste time and money on reprints, revisions, and confused feedback. Real-life fails. Take it from the industry, even big brands have stumbled due to poor color control. A national soda company once had major inconsistencies in their packaging across regions, all because of color mismatches during print production. That's how important this is. Understanding color spaces and profiles. Let's break this down. What is a color space? A color space is basically a range of colors that a device or software can represent. The most common are sRGB, standard for web and digital use. Adobe RGB, bigger range, better for print. CMYK, used by printers, not screens. Pantone, a set of pre-mixed colors used for exact print matches. What is a color profile? A color profile tells your software how to interpret color data for a specific device, like your monitor or printer. It ensures what you see is close to what you get, regardless of where or how your design is viewed. Illustrator's built-in color management tools. Adobe Illustrator gives you several tools to manage color effectively. 1. Color Settings panel. Go to Edit, Color Settings. This is where you pick your default working spaces for RGB and CMYK and how Illustrator should handle embedded profiles. 2. Color Libraries and Swatches. Use predefined color systems like Pantone to maintain consistency. Swatches help you standardize color usage across your project. 3. Document Color Mode. Found under File, Document Color Mode. You must choose RGB for screen or CMYK for print. Mixing the two leads to inaccurate results. Creating and applying color profiles. If you're working in a controlled studio environment, you might need to create a custom color profile. Use tools like X-Rite or Data Color to calibrate your monitor and generate a custom ICC profile. This makes sure your display shows true colors under your lighting conditions. Apply color profiles to artwork. Go to Edit at Assign Profile to make sure your document uses the right profile. Use Convert to Profile to permanently adapt your artwork to a different color space. Fine-tune settings. In Edit the Color Settings, adjust advanced options like rendering intent, how out-of-gamut colors are handled, and enable warning dialogues for profile mismatches. Best practices for color consistency across devices. 1. Design with output in mind. Use sRGB for digital, it's the web standard. Use Adobe RGB or CMYK for print, it gives you more accuracy and control. 2. Monitor calibration is key. Calibrate your monitor regularly using hardware tools. Check how your design looks on different screens and devices. 3. Don't rely on what you see. Your monitor can lie. Use profiles, swatches, and soft proofing tools to preview how colors will print. 4. Use online tools. Tools like Pantone Connect or Adobe Color help you test and share color palettes with accuracy. Final thoughts. Color management isn't flashy, but it's absolutely essential. It's the invisible force that keeps your designs looking the way you intended, on any screen or in any print. Whether you're designing logos, web graphics, or packaging, learning to control color is a skill that separates amateurs from professionals. If this helped you understand color management better, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more tutorials and pro tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating with confidence. This is ITMaster, signing off.